Question 12. See, what is question 12? Let A equals to this, B equal to this, then verify AB inverse equals to B inverse A inverse. Okay. So here main property. So just like transpose property what? B dash A dash. We know 2-3 property are there. Very very important property. This is for transpose. This is for inverse. Also B inverse A inverse. And another property is there what? Determinant. AB is equals to determinant A, determinant B. So these properties are very very useful for what? Objective type questions, because you have to deeply study for giving the answer for what? Objective type questions given. Okay. So here we have to verify this property, inverse property for given matrix. That is what? 3725. Given A equals to 3725. This is A, and B equals to 6879. 6879. You know, for 2 by 2 order matrix inverse, because we have to verify this property, na? So first of all, find left hand side and then right hand side. Clear, na? So left hand side means first of all you have to find the product and then its inverse. Okay. So for that, given this, then AB product, find its product. 3725 and 6879. Its product, you know, row by column. Na? So 6 into 3, 18 plus 49 and 12 plus 35 and 24 plus 63. Okay. Now 8, 16 plus 45. This is product. Okay. So just simplify it. 67, 7, 8, 7, 5 to 7, 47, and this is 6, 1. This is AB. We required left hand side, that is AB inverse. AB inverse. Okay. So this is AB. And for finding AB inverse, what is the formula? Matrix. Suppose D inverse equals to what? 1 upon determinant D and adjoint D. This is the definition. D is a square matrix, then D inverse equals to 1 by determinant D and adjoint D. So its inverse. Now adjoint of AB. AB is a matrix. AB is a matrix. Adjoint. First of all, find adjoint and then divide by its determinant. ना? तो adjoint की वैल्यू निकालोगे. कल का याद है क्या होता था? Just interchange this and negative of this side. So 61, 67. 61 यहाँ जाएगा, 67 इधर आएगा. And minus 87, minus 47. This is the adjoint. And now we require what? Determinant of this AB. So here, just write it. It's determinant. Very simple. क्या होगा determinant की वैल्यू? Determinant is equals to, you know, बस multiply होना है. Do it. जल्दी बताओ मेरे को क्या होना है? 67 into 61 minus 87 into 47. Do it from yourself. चलो start करो. Multiplication करना है. So do it. 67 into 61 minus 87 into 47. After doing this, we can get value of the determinant. क्या होना है? So we get left hand side is equals to
minus 5 0 0 4
AB inverse equals to 1 by determinant AB adjoint of AB. Okay, so 1 by determinant is equals to what? Multiplication 6 1 6 7. So do it now fast. Multiplication करना है ना जल्दी. What? Minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, that is minus 2. Okay, this is equals to minus 2. So 1 upon minus 2 of adjoint. This 8 7 minus 4 7 6 7. This is correct, na? Minus 2. Okay, so A inverse equal to this. A inverse 1 by determinant AB adjoint AB. So 1 upon determinant of this minus 2 और this ये यही वाला मैट्रिक्स. अब क्या हो जाएगा फाइनली? minus 6 1 by 2 minus 8 7 by 2 minus 4 7 by 2 not divided. Divide नहीं हो रहा है. So just minus minus plus plus minus. This is the final left hand side. Now we have to find right hand side. सेम आना चाहिए ना तब तो होगा ना. वही तो वेरीफाई होना है. Verify करना है. Left hand side निकल गए. AB inverse. Now you can write the inverse of A and B very easily. लिख सकते हैं ना? वही adjoint निकालेंगे फटाफट करना है. So this is left hand side. Now right hand side. Right hand side equals to first of all find A inverse. A inverse equals to 1 by determinant A adjoint A equals to 1 upon determinant A. Determinant of this 15 minus 14. 15 minus 14. Just you can write like this. Adjoint of A. Interchange and take its negative sign. 5 here 3 minus 7 minus 2 is this. Okay, so this is the inverse. A inverse very simple. क्या होना है यहाँ पर minus 1, that is inverse is 5 minus 7 minus 2 3. This is A inverse. Similarly you can write ये value लिखिए ना right side minus 6 1 plus 8 7 by 2 4 7 by 2 and minus 6 7 by 2. This is left hand side. Also B inverse 1 by determinant B adjoint A. So one determinant AB, determinant B. 54 minus 6 and 9 na? 54 minus minus 2 na? And adjoint is 9 6 minus 8 minus 7. So this is equals to minus 2 is there na? So minus 2 अगर है तो क्या होना? Minus 9 by 2 plus 4 and plus 7 by 2 and 3. Okay, now you have to find right hand side. Right hand side निकालने के लिए दोनों को प्रोडक्ट करना है ना? Orderly means so we get right hand side equals to B inverse A inverse. So write B inverse. I think यहाँ जो 1 by 2 करना उसको बाहर ही इजी हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन. क्लियर है? So because यहाँ 1 by 2 ना, so 1 by 2 को ना रख सकते हैं. ये तो अपना माइनस 2 था ना, माइनस 1 कर दिया. ये दोनों माइनस है, दोनों ये ध्यान दें, हमको क्या करना है, ए इनवर्स बी इनवर्स निकालना है। बिकॉज 1/2 बाहर इसलिए रखा तो वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन सब में 1/2 है तो बाहर ही रहे तो ठीक है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल बी इजी ना। ये हो गया। अब इसको रखना है वैल्यू ए इनवर्स इज 5 - 7 - 2 3 एंड बी इनवर्स, दिस इज फर्स्ट बी इनवर्स निकला, फर्स्ट बी इनवर्स 1/2 this -9 8 7 -6 and then 5 -7 -2 3. So this is B inverse के 1/2 के साथ और ये A inverse. Find its product. It should be equals to left hand side. उसकी इक्वल होना चाहिए 1/2. So product is row by column 5 into minus 45 minus 5 into 9 minus 45
plus 60
plus not plus minus over minus 7 minus 16 here 5 into 35 plus 12 minus 7 into 9 63 24 this is plus minus 49 minus 18 इक्वल आ रहा है 61 is this 61 7 87 7 47 67 minus this 7 value 7 this is minus 61 by 2 87 by 2 47 by 2 minus 67 by 2 this is equals to left hand side transpose. So inverse निकालना समझ में because ये 2/2 का था बहुत इजीली हुआ है. if मैट्रिक्स 3/3 का होता तो कितना लेंदी हो जाता, पूरे कोफैक्टर्स निकाल दीजिए उसके बाद इनवर्स निकालो. प्रोसेस तो सेम है ना बट यू हैव टू डू इट एट होम. प्रैक्टिस करना है 3/3 के लिए. यू कैन वेरीफाई दिस प्रॉपर्टी. ओके सिमिलरली ये भी वेरीफाई हो जाता है फॉर ट्रांसपोज एंड आल्सो डिटरमिनेंट. ये तो एकदम इजी है बिकॉज डिटरमिनेंट इज व्हाट ए नंबर. मॉडल दिस इज नॉट मॉडुलस. मॉडुलस नहीं होता. मॉडुलस ऑफ ए नंबर मींस व्हाट पॉजिटिव बनाता है वैल्यू को ना. पॉजिटिव तो पॉजिटिव नहीं हो रहा है. ओके सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन 12. The time taking question है 13 and 14 and 15 they are having same idea. Idea same है. इसमें क्या करना है? First of in the question 13 see if a equal to this then show that this is the finding matrix expression equals to क्या आना है? Zero matrix. Finding a inverse. By this expression how can we get the inverse of a matrix? Inverse कैसे find करना है? Okay, so see here. Suppose matrix equation you can say suppose like this. Matrix equation. This is matrix equation involving matrix are there. So matrix. Similarly, suppose we are writing like this: x square plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. This is simple equation. Equation in any unknowns. In real number maybe. Okay, you can solve it just like this is what matrix equation. By using this, if we are having this type of equation, then from this equation we can get inverse. How? Inverse because any matrix equation can be multiplied by ये नॉन जीरो मैट्रिक्स ऑन बोथ साइड. Clear? Suppose A inverse exists. Suppose A inverse exists. Okay? If A inverse exists, then its order will be same, just like A. If A are in order 2 by 2, then its inverse is also 2 by 2 order matrix. So by that matrix you can multiply on both sides. On both sides. Now, if we multiply the matrix equation by a matrix that is inverse of the matrix, also a matrix. So by A inverse you can multiply on both sides, from left side or from right side, because product of matrix is not commutative, na? Is not commutative. So pre-multiplication and post-multiplication differ. Means if you want to multiply this by B inverse, then you can multiply from left side B inverse AB. Also you can multiply by right side AB B inverse. This is from right side, this is from left side. So pre-multiplying or post-multiplying we can use. Okay, now if A inverse exists, A inverse exists, then we can multiply, we can write pre-multiplying or post-multiplying. Post-multiplying means right side, from right side. So post-multiplying A inverse, A square A inverse plus 2A A inverse plus IA inverse equals to inverse. This is zero matrix, this is zero matrix, this is zero matrix. A inverse. Now, here see, A square and A minus 1, that is A. 2. A inverse. By definition of inverse, A inverse equals to I, this is 2I. I into A inverse, that is A inverse, because this is identity. Now right side, zero matrix. So from here we can get A inverse. A inverse is equals to 0 matrix minus A minus 2I. Now A inverse is equals to minus of A plus 2I. This is the A inverse. If A is given, suppose here A is given, what is given here? Any matrix you can consider like this 0, 1, 2, 3. If this matrix, suppose A, okay, A. Inverse exists or not? Inverse exists होने के लिए क्या होना? For existing of inverse, अगर inverse को exist कराना है तो क्या होना चाहिए? Determinant is not equals to 0, non singular होना चाहिए, तो बताया था. If A determinant is not equals to 0, then it is called non singular and its inverse exists, na? So then A inverse what exists? A inverse exists means we are having a matrix of same order. इसी को इंक्लूड किया. So इसका inverse आ सकता है ना? Determinant क्या है? -0 -2 non-zero. Inverse exists. इसका inverse क्या होना है? ये. This is equals to minus of first matrix. First matrix what? This 0, 1, 2, 3 and same order identity matrix you have to take. Okay. Inverse आ गया. So this is equals to implies A inverse is equals to minus of after adding multiply by this 2 ये 2 हो जाएगा. 0 plus 2 2 and 1 plus 0 1 and 2 plus 0 2 5. So this is inverse. Minus 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5. If this is A inverse, This is for particular question. Okay, if this is A inverse, then this property should hold. ये होना चाहिए. अगर A inverse है तो question 13. Okay, for question 13 do it. Given matrix is what? Verification वाला होना चाहिए. So 3 1 minus 1 2. 3 1 minus 1 2. This is given. We have sufficiently time for exam. November December exam, na? So now August is starting. August, September, October, 3 months are there. So very sufficient time we have. So don't worry. Do it. Verification. Just first do its verification. What we have to verify? A square minus 5a plus 7i. Left hand side, a square minus 5a plus 7i. So just write a 3 1 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 1 2 minus 5 3 1 minus 1 2 plus 7 of I of same order. Okay. So just multiply it. 9 plus 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 1 8 and minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 and 3 plus 2 5 and minus 1 plus 4 minus 3. This is multiplication. Minus 5 just multiply by 5 in the inner part. So 15 5 minus 5 10 plus here 7 0 0 7. This is equals to, you can see, you can write 8 minus 15 plus 7 and minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. 5 minus 5 plus 0 minus 3 minus 10 plus 7. So this is equals to what? 0. 0. 0. This should also be 0. Minus 3 minus 10 plus 7. मिस्टेक कहाँ पर है? हेलो, क्या है? कहाँ पर मिस्टेक है? सबको 0 0 आया? Multiplication is right or not? This is right? Multiplication किया तुम लोग? Right है? 9 plus 9 minus 1 8. Right है ना? So here 3 1 minus minus 2 minus 5. No, only 5 से multiply. So 15 5 minus 5 10 plus 7 है. 7 7. Okay, there plus sign is there ना? कहाँ पर? Yeah, plus 1. Because verify तो होना ही है. यहाँ प्लस है. चेक करना. Plus sign is there ना? Okay, this is 0. Plus sign. Okay, so verified. Clear? So this is equals to right hand side. Now you can find inverse. So answer you have to write like this. This is verification. Okay. Now we have to find A inverse, na? Now we see that determinant A is equals to what? 3 1 minus 1 2. 6 plus 1 equals to 7. This is determinant, na? 6 plus 1 7. Okay. So what we have to write now? क्या लिखना है? Not equals to 0 implies A inverse exists. So by post multiplication, post right it 1 minute लगेगा solve करो. हो गया? A inverse. So by post multiplication, by A inverse, we get क्या प्रॉपर्टी क्या था? A square minus 5A plus 7. A square A inverse minus 5A A inverse plus 7I A inverse वो A inverse. So this implies what? A minus 5I plus 7A inverse is equals to 0 matrix. So here A inverse equals to what? क्या होना है? A inverse equals to because A inverse लेफ्ट साइड में जाएगा, बाकी उधर ले जाना है, माइनस में आना है. सो माइनस A प्लस 5. नाउ यू कैन राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ A जो भी दिया हुआ है. क्लियर है? बताओ A inverse क्या है?
So A inverse is 1 by 7 बाहर में 2 minus 1 1 3
1
3 3.
This is inverse.
This is
Now you can verify it.